Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? Nandito tayo sa SM Mall of Asia to check this bash event wherein they are selling like luggage and bags and business daw to ni Bea Alonzo. So ito yung mga sample, punta na tayo agad. So ito yung weekday backpack color brown. So baka iba yung tawag nyo dyan pero brown yan for me. So ang ganda ng kanyang tela, tignan nyo naman, looks premium. Then, ito yung sample ng luggage and ayan, hand carry ata tawag dito sa ganito. Pero tignan nyo naman yung color and like the tela itself. So, halatang pang classy na tao. So, ayan. So, may iba pang color dito like, I don't know, tawag ko dito white. So, baka iba yung tawag nyo sa ganyan. Pero for me, this is white and may small like brown pouch bag ata tawag dyan. So, maraming variant niyan dito. Iba-ibang color. White, black, brown, cream, something. So, ito pa yung isang sample ng weekday tote na bag. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Then, ayan. Ito yung space nila. Hindi ganun kalakihan pero as you can see, it has lots of bags and display. So, ayan si Miss Bea Alonzo. So, business daw niya yan. Sabi ng mga friends ko yan, sabi ni Bebo. So, ayan yung sample displays. Hand carries, luggage, this one. So, brown. Brown yan. Yan yung tingin ko dyan. It's color brown. So, ang ganda ng texture niya. And mukhang matibay. So, pwede ka na dyan tumira. I think. So, ito yung brown. Ayan, ang ganda ng pagkaka-thread ng tela. So, this is the black one. Nandyan siya sa loob ng display case. So, it's very sealed. Pero meron yan dun sa bandang likod. So, puntahan natin dito. So, meron pang extra space right here. So, dito sa side na to. Ayan. So, lakad tayo ng konti. So, this is the extension place for the bash event. So, dito ay merong like white for me. That's white. Cream, meron din. Grayish something ata yung tawag dyan. Pero, ayan, may iba-iba pang colors dito sa part na to. Mga light colors yung nandito sa area na nasa left ng event center. So, ayan yung sample. So, the backpack, the tote, and hand carry ata yung tawag dyan sa isa. Pero, as you can see, I don't really know about bags. So, yung jowa ko yung mahilig sa bags. So, ito yung essential collection. So, I think this is the complete set for the bags. So, merong hand carry, small, medium, large bags. Parang lagayan pa ng bawnan yung isa. So, dito naman yung brown. Brown yan for me. Baka iba yung tawag nyo. So, again, my color palette is very simple. So, yan. Brown yan. So, dito yun. So, dito naman ay yung mga dark colors, mostly black and like gray. So, dito nyo yan sa medyo loob pa, near exit, makikita. Well, technically, pare-parehas lang siya sa paningin ko na mga bag and the styles and the name itself, pare-parehas lang din. Pero overall, kung ako tatanungin, ang ganda nito. Yung pagkakagawa niya. But syempre, the price itself will cost a little bit more. So, ayun lang, na-share ko lang. Nadaanan lang namin yun kanina here sa MOA. So, I don't know until when sila. Baka until bukas na lang, Sunday. So, visit them if you want to check them out. Peace.